Dear friends, today let us see how to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Right, let us see how to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. So this is the YouTube videos which I have created using Microsoft Windows, right? Using video editor. It is nothing but photos. It is defaultly it has been installed in Windows 10. So in order to see this is the video, you can see. Dear friends, let us see how to create a YouTube channel by creating a Gmail account. So this is the video. So from the video, I'm just taking out creating a thumbnail for the YouTube video. Just see how I am doing it. Please wait. Now just move the video slightly. Then once you move it, just stop with that. Then click Shift Windows key. Yes. Open with Paint 3D. Now the image has been, the screenshot image has been uploaded in the Paint 3D. Now so this is the process how to create a thumbnail. Now you can save it. Save as image. Image can be saved. Okay, click save.